Here's a concise life story of Yu Yamada, a Japanese model, actress, and singer. Yu Yamada was born on July 5, 1984, in Yokohama, Kanagawa, Japan. She began her career as a model in her teenage years, quickly gaining popularity for her elegant appearance and natural charm. Yamada's modeling success led her to work with top fashion magazines, Tata commercials, and brand endorsements, establishing her as a prominent figure in Japanese fashion. Expanding her career, Yu Yamada ventured into acting. She appeared in several TV dramas and films, showcasing her versatility as a performer. She also pursued a music career, joining the group Sweet Surlian and releasing solo tracks later, combining her singing talent with her public image. In her personal life, Yamada married Japanese actor Shun Oguri in 2012, and they have children together. Despite her busy career, she balances family life with her work and entertainment, maintaining a public image of elegance and grace. Yu Yamada continues to be admired for her multifaceted talents and remains an influential figure in Japanese pop culture, representing style, charm, and professionalism. Public image and influence. Yu Yamada is admired not only for her beauty but for her elegance, professionalism, and multifaceted talent. She remains a prominent figure in Japanese pop culture, influencing fashion trends, lifestyle choices, and even parenting norms. Her ability to maintain a successful career while nurturing a family has made her a role model for many young women in Japan and beyond.